Hello everyone. This video shows the RK9320B winding impulse tester and its basic operation. This model combines AC withstand voltage, DC withstand voltage, insulation resistance, and winding impulse testing in one instrument. For AC withstand voltage, the maximum output is 5,000 volts. The minimum AC and DC setting step is 50 volts. The insulation resistance test voltage can be set from 50 volts to 5,000 volts. The insulation resistance measuring range starts from 100 kiloohms. The instrument accuracy is about 2%. The communication interfaces support RS-232 and RS-485. RK9320 and RK9310 series models are in the same product family. Different suffix letters indicate different combinations. B includes impulse, withstand voltage, and insulation resistance tests. A includes impulse and AC withstand voltage testing. Now let's look at the front panel. The power is already on. The green button is start and the red button is stop. The display shows the current program status and the test parameters. F1 through F5 are soft keys. Their functions change according to the current screen. For example, if you need to create or save multiple test steps as a file, follow the prompts on the lower part of the screen. Use the arrow keys and the mode key to move through the items you need to edit. System, zeroing, brightness, and timing options are also set from these menus. Press Enter to confirm. Press Exit to return to the previous menu. This connector is the high-voltage output. During testing, the high-voltage lead connects directly to the test point. The high-voltage indicator lights when output is active, reminding the operator that high voltage is present. The file indicator shows that the selected program or parameter file is active. The pass indicator lights when the test result is qualified. Red and green indicators show the current test condition. Next, let's look at the rear panel. This port is the handler interface for external control signals. The USB port can be used for firmware and data communication, and the RS-232/RS-485 ports support serial communication. The power input supports a wide range from 100 to 240 volts AC. Always connect the protective earth terminal properly before using the instrument. This keeps operation safer. Now we will use a sample insulation piece for a demonstration. This type of sample normally requires 2 electrodes. The electrode shape can be selected according to your actual product and test fixture. Place the sample between the 2 electrodes, then bring the electrodes into contact for the test. After the fixture is ready, return to the instrument and enter the parameter setting screen. Press Mode to select the test mode and parameter item. First, set the mode to AC withstand voltage. Set the test voltage to 1,500 volts. Use the arrow keys to move to the value you want to change, then press OK. Set the test time to 5 seconds. Press Enter before editing the time, then confirm with OK. For the AC with stand voltage step, set the leakage current upper limit to 5 mA, then confirm. The first step is now an AC with stand voltage test. Next, create the second step. For the second step, change the mode to insulation resistance or IR. Set the insulation resistance test voltage to 1000 volts and the test time to 5 seconds. Set the insulation resistance limit according to the product requirement. The limit value should match the test time and process requirement. After the two steps are set, remove the parameter setting view and prepare to connect the test leads. The high voltage lead is red. Connect it to the high voltage electrode. The return or low voltage lead connects to the other electrode. Make sure the two electrodes are placed correctly. After the connection is complete, press Start to begin the test. Here the test result is shown as failed, so the operator needs to check the sample and connections. In System Settings, you can choose how the instrument handles a failed step. One option is to continue to the next step even if the first step fails. Another option is to stop immediately when a failed result is detected. Select the setting that matches your inspection process, then return to the test screen. In this example, the first AC with stand voltage step passes and the second insulation resistance step continues. The screen displays the measured resistance value and the step result. After testing, turn off the output and disconnect the sample safely. Reconnect a known good product and run the test again to compare the result. When the product passes, the display shows qualified results for both with stand voltage and insulation resistance. The test data can be read directly from the screen or retrieved through the communication interface. That completes the basic RK9320B operation demonstration.